In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a timeline widget in Smartsheet dashboard. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place the widget, connect it to your data, and fine-tune the settings so your timeline clearly tells the story of your work. First, make sure you're on the dashboard where you want the timeline to appear. Look to the right-hand vertical sidebar and click the plus sign. This opens the widget picker. From the list, choose Timeline. Smartsheet will place a timeline widget on the canvas and open the configuration panel on the right so you can set it up. In the right panel, you'll see an option to add data. Click that. You'll be prompted to choose the data you want to use, typically a sheet or report that includes start and end dates for the items you want to visualize. Select your source and hit OK. The widget will pull in the date-driven rows and display them as a timeline. If you don't see anything, double-check that the source has valid date fields and that those rows aren't filtered out in your selection. With the data connected, you can further customize the widget from the same right panel. Start with the default time scale. Pick the scale, days, weeks, months, or quarters, that best matches the length and detail of your work. A shorter time scale shows more detail. A longer one provides a big picture view. Next, consider grouping. Grouping organizes items by a category from your data, like project, owner, or status, making it easier to scan related tasks. If your timeline feels crowded, grouping can bring quick structure. Use filter to include only what matters. For example, you might filter by status to show just active items, or by a specific team to keep the view focused. This doesn't change your underlying data. It just narrows what appears in the widget. If your data uses indented rows, turn on hierarchy to respect parent-child relationships. This helps you collapse or expand sections and keep related tasks visually connected. Adjust text overflow to manage how labels appear. If labels get truncated, try a different overflow setting or shorten the displayed field in your source data so the timeline stays readable. Give the widget a clear, concise title so viewers know exactly what they're looking at. Finally, review widget behavior. Choose what happens when someone clicks an item, like opening the source, to guide your audience to the right place. That's it. You've added a timeline widget, connected your data, and tailored the view so your dashboard communicates clearly at a glance.